Hi, I'm Chef Gail Sokol and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're talking about bad baking habits to break now. You want to be the best baker you know how to be, and there's a lot of habits people need to break. One of the first habits is not preheating the oven soon enough. You can't make your recipe and then expect your oven to warm up fast enough. Make sure you give it 15 to 20 minutes before you start baking to preheat your oven. Another bad baking habit is packing ingredients into a solid measuring cup. So you don't want to do that. You want to spoon them in lightly, and then you want to level them off with a straight edge like a knife. All right? Otherwise, you're going to be packing your ingredients and getting super dry baked goods. The same with measuring liquid ingredients. Don't hold it up and pour the milk in. Put it down on a leveled area and then bend down and make sure you look at the meniscus and that it is the proper amount of liquid. Another bad baking habit is using a digital scale but not tearing the actual container. So if I want to weigh 4 ounces of milk, you want to make sure you zero this container, or else you're going to be including the weight of this container plus your milk. Bad habit. Another bad habit to break. You want to make sure that your butter, if the recipe says it should be at room temperature, make sure it's at room temperature. You don't want it to be rock hard. You want to leave it out for a little while or put it in the microwave for just a few seconds. Just pop it in for a few seconds at a time and feel it. It should give to your touch. That's softened butter. If it says softened butter, they don't mean melted. Very bad habit. Another thing is you want to make sure your eggs are at room temperature. Bad habit, having them ice cold. Remember, you're making an emulsion when you're making a cake batter or a cookie dough. You want to make sure that all the fat-based and water-based ingredients get together and actually form this great emulsion. So you want to make sure that your eggs are at room temperature. Leave them out for about an hour. Another bad baking habit is living on a prayer, like the song says, and just expecting your cake to come out without prepping the pan. So you want to make sure that you spray the cake pan with a nonstick cooking spray or coat it with butter or oil, and then use a parchment cake circle, putting it in, spraying it again, flouring it, and dumping out the excess. Don't live on a prayer. Make sure you have insurance, baking insurance. All right, so now you have the lowdown on the worst baking habits to break now. Do it. I hope you become a subscriber. Until next time.